Hello, everybody. Today's Hot Wheels 2020 K Case Outdoor. It's beautiful. Unboxing is brought to you by A&J Toys. I don't have the card in front of me, but it is anjtoys.com. What happens when you go outside? You don't want to go inside and get the card, but you do want to tell everyone to go to A&J Toys. Buy your cases there, especially now where it's still hard to get into stores. And just get your essentials. Don't worry about your Hot Wheels. You can buy these cases from A&J Toys. It is the K case. We did the rapid unboxing via Wheel Collectors. Then we'll pull out the highlights from this case and do the highlight video. But I've got obviously two K cases. This is the US case, which will open today. The international case will open a little bit later. So we'll push that one off to the side and we will get to this one. US assortment versus international assortment. The last time we did with the J case was quite different. We'll see what happens here when we compare the two in the next video, but we're just going to open up this US case right now. I know some people have already gotten future cases, like the L case. I go with them as we get them, and we can always see what is inside, what is interesting, what we should be looking for. And let's go ahead and open this up. We will start right here with a car we haven't seen. At least this is a recolor of the Audi RS5 Coupe in black MC5 wheels. That will definitely be a highlight. Lamborghini Sesto Elemento was from the last case. Night Dragon, I couldn't even tell you. Humvee, last case. Honda Prelude, also from the last case, but I'll be happy to have a few of those. And then the Night Dragon. Move this over here so I have some space to put these down. Two of the Porsche 911 GT3 RS and another Honda Prelude from the J case. That J case was loaded, as you can tell, because the nice cars are repeating. Shelby GT500, this is recolor in blue. Velocita from the now canceled Olympics or postponed Olympics, and then the Lamborghini Sesto Elemento. Honda Civic recolor, Plymouth Fury from the last month, or from the last case, and then the Croc Rod. Mad Props, Velocita, and the Acura NSX. I got a delicious beverage. And I'm going to put it over here. See, outdoor videos are the best because delicious beverages just show up. Custom 56 Ford truck. If you look at the top of this Custom 56 Ford truck, you will see that it has a symbol that you might be interested in. If you look at the card, you can barely catch it. This is the regular treasure hunt for the K case from the Art Cars series, and that's very cool. That will definitely go in the highlights because it looks like, have we had anything new from this case yet? This one is the 49 Ford F1 recolor of the Legends truck, right? It was in kind of a metallic green, right? And the first one, I like that orange. Legends is obviously indefinitely postponed as well. Kind of just a weird time, right? There's the Honda again. Now here we go. Oh, see, so I was curious about this one. It is the Nissan 300ZX Twin Turbo, one of my all-timers from last year. It was my favorite basic model of the year. And then I saw it's coming in this police deco, and I was wondering about the back, and sure enough, they did the rear deco on this one. So considering that the headlights are part of the window piece, are they not? Side and rear deco, that is quite a complete, fantastic model. I'm big on that one. Really happy to see it. Will be a highlight. This one will be too. It is the 57 Chevy in the Rod Squad. Lou Auto Supply, that's Jimmy Lou. Or W. Lou, because that's Will Lou. All right, I gave away the Easter egg. That's his son. If this one had Steelies on it, Real Rider Steelies in a Spectre Flame pink paint, that would be the Super Treasure Hunt. This one is not. Still looks very, very cool. That will go in the highlight video. I actually don't have the Super Treasure Hunt from this case. Mattel, before everything closed down, they actually sent me the next two, but they weren't able to get this one to me. So when I do the highlight video, unless I pull one from this case, which I doubt I will, I'm not going to have the Super to show you. But Ford Mustang GT, Beat All, and the Croc Rod. Still more highlights from the last case. BMW Z4M Motorsport, the Lamborghini Centenario Roadster in white, which I really dig, and then the Batcopter. I think that's new for this case. There's always, if you notice, there's always a bat car in every case. All right, 86 Monte Carlo SS. Nice to see that casting back in the basic range. It has been a while. There's another Beamer. And the HW450F. Yeah, motorcycle. And then 3 more cool cars from the last case. The Ford Mustang, the Lambo again, and then the Jag XESV Project 8 in British Racing Green. Let's see what else we got in here. So far it's been the Z. This is what I wanted to see, so we're going to get to that. That will be very cool. All right. Manga Tuner, Velociracer, and the La Fasta. Electro Silhouette and the Custom Auto. All right, 69 Camaro. Been a while since we've seen you in the basic range. 69 Camaro had a run of 2. It was a super treasure hunt 2 years in a row, I remember a few years ago. Now it's back. Nice to see it. Roger Dodger 2.0. And then the Shelby Cobra. Nice to see that. And a nice clean Shelby Cobra-esque with the 5-spoke wheels. That looks nice. Put that in the highlight video for sure. Anything else you guys want to see in the highlight video that makes sense in how we do it, we'll do it. Range Rover Velar looks nice and red with the black rims. Dig that one a lot. Grand Cross, that's a new casting. See, new for 2020. Has kind of a, what is it, like a Tesla look to it. Interesting interesting model. I wonder what that one's all about. But that one's cool. But it is a Hot Wheels original, as you'd like to call it. Oh, here's a good one. Big Air Bel Air, new for this case. This one has a gasser vibe to it. Also says Rod Squad on it. So we had the other one, the 57 Chevy, which would be the Super Lucas Oil. Big Air Bel Air, Holly Borla. That's got a lot of stuff. I think, wasn't Brendan Viteski partly behind this one? Yes, he was. You look at that roof. It says Brendan BV. Not a surprise at all. It's Brendan who is actually building his own gasser, designed the 55 Bel Air gasser, has his own that he's been working on, and this one just kind of fits right in that style. That is an awesome, awesome model. Circle tracker, and then recolor the Formula E Gen 2 car, which looks kind of cool. That is licensed. Velociracer, custom Cadillac Fleetwood, and the Eric Stein rod. This is new. It's a dinosaur basically riding a car like it's a motorcycle, I guess. All right, here we go. A proper Audi R8, 2019 R8 Spider. We had the racing R8, right? That's been in car culture a couple of times. And then we had the older R8, which was an absolutely horrific casting with the big wheels from several years ago. It was in Speed Machines and hopefully just thrown away because it's terrible. But this looks awesome. Front grille looks fantastic. From the side view, it looks great. It's got some detailing on the top and then nice detailing on the back. This one is a perfect Spider version, like counterpart to the first generation R8 that Matchbox did. We'll have to put those together. That is an awesome casting. I wonder who designed it. I wonder if it says. It does not. It doesn't say who did the actual Hot Wheels design. Toyota Tundra is back. It's been a while because the Toyota license was gone for a while. And then the Too Tough. Man, I'm digging that R8 a lot. And I'm happy that we have 2 R8s. There it is right there. And then we have 2 more Bone Shakers to go. Man, love that R8. Love that Big Air Bel Air too. 69 Dodge Charger 500 with flames. 71 Dodge Charger also with flames. Got a little Charger mix there. And then 2019 Mercedes-Benz A-Class is back. Like the white version, like this one better just because it's going with the black 10-spoke rims. So the red wins because I like the wheels better. Again, it's got the full trim on the front and on the back. That's really nice looking. That casting looks good. All right, 2 Acuras from the last case. Same thing with the Nova Wagon Gasser. Those are repeats. A lot of repeats in this one. As you can tell, Plymouth Fury, another wagon, which we've wagon gas, which you got in there. But here's this one. I already did the showcase on this model because that is the JDM Legends Datsun 620, based on the actual shop truck in the JDM Legends shop here in Utah. So it is now officially out as part of the K-Case. Looking good. I'm sitting on a bunch of them that we were going to do as part of an event, and one of these days we'll find a way to get those out to you. All right, and then one more Toyota. We'll have another Big Air Bel Air. We have another Manga Tuner, and how about, we saw the return of the Tundra. How about the return of the Toyota 2000 GT, a model that needs some love because it is so cool. It is finally back, and we'll have to show this one off along with the previous versions of this casting, which is very cool. There you go. That is the 2020 Hot Wheels US K-Case. I'm digging it. Your highlights for me definitely are these two. The two new models from this case, the Audi R8. Couldn't be more opposite, right? And the Big Air Bel Air. We'll run with those two. You guys tell me what you think of this case. We'll open the international case soon so we can compare and contrast. In the meantime, you guys tell me what you think. Bye.